Hello and welcome back to my channel with a new video. I'm sorry for not making a video 2 days ago. Some people were asking me if my family were okay. I really wanted to do a video yesterday or 2 days ago, but my stupid ass decided to get sick and I had a really bad fever. And I'm still sick. I think it was caused by a wisdom tooth extraction. Also, my stupid ass decided to extract her wisdom tooth 2 days ago. I think something went wrong and the bleeding didn't stop till after like a day or two. I was just bleeding really badly and it caused a really bad fever. Anyways, so sorry if I sound a bit weird and I can't speak because it hurts to speak. So I'm sorry if this video is not too long and if I didn't speak all the way. But I'm trying my best. First of all, I want to say that my family's fine. My dad is okay. A bit really minor damages at home, but nothing crazy. My uncle is okay. He was terrified, but he's okay. My second uncle from my dad's side, his home is very damaged, but he's still okay. But yeah, basically everyone in my family is okay. Minor damages, but what's important is your health. Also, my mom is here, thank God. She's visiting me. She came like a week and a half ago and she's okay. I would have went crazy if she was there. Kind of sucks. I really don't know what to say. It's also like it hits really hard because it's my hometown and it sucks. I really don't, I have no words. I haven't been sleeping for 2 days thinking about people there. I can't imagine really people going through this and family and friends going through this. It sucks that I'm not there. It really sucks. All I thought about just going back there at the moment. But yeah, I've been trying to sleep though. I've been trying to. I'm gonna explain quickly what happened and what caused it. From what we heard here, from what my dad said and what we heard from the Lebanese news, that some explosive chemicals slash stuff, I don't exactly know. I'll put down exactly what it is. Caught on fire. I don't want to say here. Some people saying Israel really bombed it and it went crazy. Some people were saying it just caught on fire and yeah. And our beautiful government, I'm trying not to curse, really trying hard. Put some explosive stuff right under the city where people live, and that's what happened because they are really smart. I blame them the most. Fuck you. Hope you go to hell. Allah is going to take you to hell and just put you there. Fucking religious person, my ass. But that's what kind of happened quickly. They said the strength was 1/10 of Hiroshima explosion, which is pretty bad. I keep looking at videos again and again and again. I'll put one here. But looking at it made me even more sick. I don't know if I'm sick because when I hear really bad news, my health just deteriorates. It gets really bad. I remember I was at the dentist actually, and we get a call from my dad, and the moment we picked up the phone, we hear lots of siren noises and stuff, and my heart just dropped. I knew something was wrong because my dad called us a few times and I couldn't pick up because I was in the middle of the extraction. I really couldn't pick up. I had no idea what was going on, and the moment I picked it up, I knew something wrong happened, and my heart just sank. Please get the fuck out of this country. That's to the government. You made half of the country leave it, and you're killing the other half. Actually, like I was thinking a few months ago, I really wanted to go back and live there again. And I see this, and actually I want to go back more. It just really hurts to see everything. And just watching. I hate it. I really hope at least I can from this channel. I know not a lot of people are watching, but please help Lebanon right now. It's going to shit. I'll put some links down below if you want to help. Those are for NGOs. We don't give to the government anymore because they're gonna steal it. There are a few specific ways to give without going through the government, and I'll put the links down below. Please, if you can, help. A lot of people are homeless now. A lot of people have really damaged homes. They have nowhere to go. Hundreds were killed, and if not, they got traumatized from the experience itself. I got traumatized from just looking at it and hearing my family and friends, and I can't imagine them. And they were already going through really bad economy crisis, financial crisis, everything crisis. They were going through Corona also rising up. So please, if you can help, don't hesitate. I really wanted to do this video as soon as possible, but damn, my health, it was not helping me. Sorry for my looks today. I really tried. But I couldn't do better than this. And seeing the places that I used to visit every day completely destroyed to the ground just sucks. Is where I lived 20 years. It sucks. And here I was thinking going back. But now I just want to go back to say fuck you to all the government. They live in castles while we live on the streets. They have electricity all day, every day, while we don't. my parents don't have electricity anymore. And if you know, طريق جديدة is not the best place to be. And every time I visit, even from 5 years ago, I never find electricity there. Especially in the summer, it gets really bad. Because everyone needs AC and they just shut it down all day. I remember right before I left Lebanon, it was the last straw. We didn't have electricity for a week. That was 5 years ago. Now it's way worse. All the money is gone and in the pockets of those assholes. People like that are going straight to hell. Their ending will not be a good one. I don't know why we agreed that a murderer would be a president. I don't know why that happened. I don't know why we thought that was a good idea. I never thought it was a good idea. Some people did though. I don't know how. He was a murderer and we keep putting criminals. You think they care? They don't give a shit. He once escaped and left everyone to die and went to France, and he came back after 20 years ago when he thought it was safe enough to get back to presidency. And he got back again and we put him. You know what? The people is to blame too. We don't learn. We don't learn. I don't think we do learn. I hope we can gather ourselves and go to their fucking castles and remove them ourselves. That's the only way. In peaceful ways is not gonna work. Not with them. Not with people like that. They don't know what peace is. They killed half of the country. You think they care? It's not gonna be nice, but I think that's how they're gonna be removed, with force. And there's gonna be blood. Anyways, I'm getting a bit dizzy. I don't know what to say for my Lebanese people in there. I'm sorry. That's exactly why I left, and even though it sucks being away from all family and all friends and all loved ones, it really sucks. I don't know if it's worth it to leave everything. I really don't know. But you know, maybe it is. I really don't know. I also hated my life here because I know I don't belong, but at the same time, it's hard living there, you know. You don't know when you're gonna be killed. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you have to deal with this. And the explosion happened under a port in the middle of the city, where people are living. I hope you fucking die. I hope you do. I don't know when is your day, but when it is, it's gonna be a party for everyone. Go fucking die. God, I'm so angry, but it doesn't show. حلو عنا واستقيل الله. حلو. I'm gonna say this in Arabic. ظهرتوني من بلدي وظهرتم لي من البلد، وهلأ عم تقتلوا النص التاني. الله ما يعطيكم عافية. حتروحوا على جهنم ركض. أولكم مين بعد فيه؟ كلهم سوا. مفكر انت واحد رجل ديني؟ لا، انت اول واحد رايح على جهنم. الله حياخدك. هذا منه اسلام اللي عم تعمله. أنا ماني شيعية بس الشيعة منن هيك يا متسلط إلك نهار الله ياخدك. شو بدي أقول؟ الله ياخدك وبتحل عنا بقى. اليوم اللي الله حياخدك أنا أرجع لبنان، هعمل حفلة، لأنه اليوم اللي حتروح فيها لبنان حيتحرر. هيدا هون بيصير عنا Independence Day. نحنا مش مستقلين بعد. لشو عنا Independence Day؟ لشو؟ مانا مستقلين. ما حنكون مستقلين حتى تروحوا كلكم سوا. انكم منكم بني ادمين، انتو شياطين الله بلينا فيكم. anyways sorry for the rambling. I'm just really pissed. Anyways, that's no matter what I'm gonna say, it's gonna keep going. The video is not gonna end. But that's all I can say for now. Getting a bit dizzy. I need to get back to sleep. Lebanon will rise again. Again and again and again. Please help if you can. Please help if you can. I know a lot of people are going through shit right now outside of Lebanon and US. But if you can, please help. A little can help a lot. Because $1 there is worth a lot. Okay, I'm gonna end my video here. Sorry about this. And yeah, I'm just gonna say my family's safe. Thank you for everyone who asked about me and about my family. And please help if you can. Thank you for your help and for your time. And if you stayed till the end. Bye bye.